Hello, welcome to Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips, round 1. The first winning tips for the financial statement. We should check the financial statement before we set decision for any rounds I show you now. So we see on the screen is a financial statement, so we can check the. In this example, we use a green company as a sample. So you see that the sales here and marketing cost about 3 to 5%, and R&D cost about max 10%. That's, and also we check the profit here, good sale and good profit. We check that every round. And for the result, we also check the industry overview to see the unit we sold from last round in the 3 market regions, so we can calculate the sale forecast for the coming rounds. And we also can check the cost for take 1, take 2, take 3, take 4 example each round. And more important, we also check the number of factories for each region and also the production capacity to see if we need to invest in the new capacities or not, or the supplies or the capacity is exceed much higher than the demand, so we can adjust that. So that's the first winning tip, to check the financial statement. We can check the other video for the other 10 winning tips in the next video. Remember, we have the top 10 winning tips. We check the unit we sold from last round and the financial statement. That's the first one. If you have any question, you can send the email to MBA to Cesim Health 2022, Cesim Health 2022, or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.